And then, of course, there's a situation where you are going to have to multiply by either the a plus b or the a minus b thing. That's the only way to make the i's go away in the denominator. So we'll multiply by 4 plus 5i. Our numerator will get a little bit messy. We'll have our first, our outside, which will be 15i, our inside, which will be 8i, and our last, which will be 10i squared, which we'll have to deal with in a second. Now notice it's an a minus b, a plus b situation, so we can just go ahead and do our a squared minus our b squared. And we know that this is going to be good, that we're going to end up being able to get rid of that I in the denominator. So just showing a little bit more work, we'll have 12 plus 23i. This I squared, remember, is a negative 1. So our plus 10 turns into a minus 10. Okay. And down here we'll have 16 minus, sorry about that, didn't pick up my pen, I guess. 16 minus 25i squared. Doesn't look great yet, but we know that that I squared is really a negative 1. So what will happen is that negative 25 will turn into a positive 25. So our numerator, we've already almost done with that one. That's 2 plus 23i. Our denominator is not 16 minus 25, it's 16 plus 25, right? 16 plus 25, because that I squared is negative 1, and it turns the minus 25 into a positive 25. Okay. So the last thing that we want to do here is write this in the a plus bi form. I know that we're kind of off the screen right now, but let's think back on what we did, okay? We multiplied by our conjugate, and we had an I squared in the numerator that we ended up turning into our plus 10 into our minus 10. Same thing in the denominator with our a squared minus b squared. It almost turned into an a squared plus b squared in a way down there, right? Because that I squared was a negative 1.